Okay guys, on today's video I'm going to be giving out 10 free video editing apps for you that is just starting up, or for you that don't have money to pay for all these expensive editing apps. Yes, so I'm going to be giving you out 10 ones that you can use on your system and ones that you can use on your phone. Yes, so if you're interested in finding out this list or knowing all these editing apps, please stay tuned and watch to the end of this video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophia on your screens. Again, if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for sticking with me, okay? And if you're new, my name is Sophia. Please consider subscribing. Just click on that subscribe button. Yes, click it, click it, click it. Without further ado, guys, let us get right into the video, okay? Okay guys, number one app is this app. I have tried it before, I have used it before. I was using it for a while, or for a long time, before I discovered another app. And this app is a free app. It also has a paid version where you get you know all this paid version that comes with better packages and all of that. The name of this app is Movie Master. Yes, you can use it on your Android phone, you can use it on your Apple phone or iPhone. Yes, it is the free version. You can edit videos 720 to 1080p. Yes, you can edit 4K videos in it. Yeah, I personally I have used this app, so I know what's up. It's a good app. I loved it while I was using it, and you should probably check it out. Then the second one I'm going to tell you right now is one that I've not used before. I've never used before, but I know so many people that are using it. Yes, so many people that are using it and that can testify for this app. The name of this app is KineMaster. I think it's popular in these YouTube streets. Yes, but the only reason I don't like it is the fact that it has watermark. Yeah, you know, watermark is like a huge ass turn off. But if you don't mind, you could, check out this app. It also has a paid version, obviously. Yes, and the thing is, with the first app I mentioned, the Movie Master, and this one I am very, very sure of, the monthly subscription is just like 1,200 or 1,100 naira. So it's worth it. All you have to do is film so many videos so that you get something out of the 1 month subscription you paid for. You hear me? Yes. So same with this KineMaster. I don't know how much the monthly subscription is, but you can check it out. I am also sure that it's not that expensive. Yes, from what I had from people that used it. Yes. Now the third app is Power Director. Yeah, this Power Director, I have used it, and when I used it, I didn't even know what's up. It's like a very good app. It's a powerful app. I think you can also use it on your system. I'm not so sure. Yeah, but maybe you can check that out. It's a powerful app. The only thing I don't like about this app is also the watermark stuff. But the good thing about this watermark is the fact that it has like a very tiny, like a manageable watermark. It's not those apps that used to have like one large watermark that you can't even deal with. Yes, so Power Director is a wonderful app. You can get it on your iOS or your App Store. You can get it on your Play Store. Android users, you can use it. iPhone users, you can use it. Yes. Now the fourth app is I've actually used this app, is Filmora Go. this one is for phones. You know, we have Filmora for laptops, but this particular one is for phones. You can use it on your Android phone. You can also use it with your iPhone. Yes, Filmora Go. What I love about this app is the fact that the watermark comes at the ending of the video you've edited. So wonderful, right? You can just, maybe after editing, you can just like trim it a little bit and the watermark is gone. you know, yes. So this is why I love this app, and I've used it personally. And what I can say about it is that I like it. It's good. It's something you can actually start off with. It is user friendly. It is beginner friendly. Okay, so yeah, you should probably check out this app if you are interested in it. Okay, now the fifth app is iMovie, and this one is for only iPhone users, because I've used this app, but I wasn't so impressed. I don't know, some people can swear that this app is the best app and all of that, but I'm just going to tell you that I didn't like it so much, and it's not that easy to understand what's going on in the app, because it took me a while to like understand one or two things. You know, it's something that you have to like browse about, how to trim or how to like add this one and add this one, compared to some of these other apps that I mentioned. You get? Yeah. iMovie, it's a very good app actually. You can use it on your iPhone. You can also use it on your on your iPad or on your laptop, your Apple laptop. Yes, so this is the fifth app, and now we are going to be going over to the apps that you need your laptop to edit. If you are the laptop person, or you like to edit with your laptop, or you know, you want to go like professional, so this next set of apps I'm going to list are like top-notch app for your system. Yes, but they are free. Ta-da! Yes, free. So the number one app that I'm going to mention is the Filmora 9. The Filmora 9. So before you download the Filmora 9, make sure that whatever laptop you have has the requirements, because most of these apps are like powerful apps. So if your system is kind of low, it's not going to carry it. Yeah, so make sure that your system has the requirements for this app before you download it. Okay, yeah. So this Filmora 9 app now, it has the paid version and it also has the free version, but the free version comes with this huge and annoying ass watermark. But when I was using it, or when I tried to like use it, I've had about a crack code where you can crack it and you now get to have the paid version, but you don't have to pay. But all these things I'm saying now, I really don't know. I can't really explain how you do it. All you have to do is Google it or search it on YouTube. But don't worry, I will probably leave a link in the description of the video you need to watch if you're interested in this Filmora 9 app. Yes. So the next one we are gonna go to is let's say DaVinci Resolve. Okay, it is a color correction and non-linear video editing app, DaVinci Resolve. So if you're looking to go professional, the app is wonderful. If it's free, the app is big time free. Yeah, so if you're interested in, you know, working with bigger professional app, or you're interested in color correction, maybe you're shooting a movie, especially like it's very good for movies, yeah, films, editing films and all of that, you could check out this app. So the next one that is on my list is Hit Film Express. Yes, this is the next app on my list that you can download into your system and edit your film. And now this Hit Film Express is an editing software with professional grade VFX tools. Yes, and everything you need for creating or making some like a really awesome video. Yes, this Hit Film Express is also good for editing films and game videos. So if you're into films and game and YouTube, you can check out this app. But you should know that before you download these apps, your system must reach the requirements of these apps. If not, you end up downloading it and your system will either crash, or you find out that it can't work on your system. When I mean it can't work on your system, like you can't work freely. So it requires like a high RAM and all of those bits and what do you call it? I've forgotten. But yeah, just make sure your system reaches the requirements before downloading these apps. But if it's free, it is super free. Okay guys, the next app I have on my list is Lightworks. Yes, Lightworks. And Lightworks is another app that you need your system to edit. Yeah. And now Lightworks is a non-linear editing software that is best, or that is good for mastering digital videos. It is remarkably a powerful free video editing software that is packed with professional and quality tools for editing videos. Yes, if you're into film, if you're into YouTube videos and all of that, you could, if you want to go like really professional and all of that, you could check Lightworks. Yeah. Now the next app, I think this is the last app, but guess what, I have a bonus app for people that use phones anyway. Yes, so the last app on my list is Shortcut. Yes, Shortcut is one of the apps that I use currently. Shortcut is like a wonderful app, and it's easy to use. When I mean easy, it is like as easy as ABCD compared to these other apps I listed. Yeah, Shortcut is very easy to use. Shortcut is a wonderful app, and Shortcut is like a free video editing. I have a bonus app for you guys. Yes, a bonus app, and guess what, this app I'm about to let you guys know right now is my best app of all time. Among all this list I gave you right now, this is my best app. But then this is for people that are, you know, that want to like go into editing with their phone, or that doesn't mind editing with their phone, and you want a professional yet simple editor, video editor. This app is for you. And guess what, the app is Videoleap. Yes, for now I don't know if you can get it on your Android device. I don't know. I'm gonna let you guys know on the screen if I find that out soon. So now this app is it is what I call sweet. Do you know what is sweet? I love this app so much. Like, you edit at the comfort of wherever you are, even in the toilet. Yes, so check it out, download it, and thank me later. I promise you, you're gonna thank me later. You will definitely thank me later. Like, this is an app that you'll forever be grateful, like grateful to me for putting it on. Okay, so I love this app so much. It has the free version, and the free version comes with so much. It comes with a lot. Talk more of when you now pay for the paid version. Believe me, like it is wonderful. And guess what? That is what I am currently using now. I have even ditched my shortcuts application, because who does not like something that does not stress the person? For me, on a normal day when I used to use shortcuts, it takes me like days to edit. But now, since I started using Videoleap, guys, it takes me like just few hours to edit and upload my video. Believe me, this app is mad. Yeah, you can even edit in your toilet. Yes, while you're taking a poo or a shit, you can, with your phone, edit. So I love this app so much. I have nothing but good things to say about it. So I promise you, it's a good one. So check it out. Okay? Check it out and then come back to thank me. Anyways, guys, we've come to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you on my next one. Please give me a thumbs up. That thumbs up is very important. That's what will tell YouTube that people like this video, people love this video, and that is what is going to make YouTube share this video to other viewers. So please, before you click out right now, just click on that thumbs up. Please, I beg you, click on it. Make sure to share this video if you like it. Make sure to share this video to someone that you know that needs it. Yes, there is love in sharing, as I've shared to you now. It is required for you to share to other people, you know. Yes, so I'm gonna see you on my next one. I hope you enjoy this. Please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe. It is free. It is free, super free. And guess what? You get valuable content on here. So click on the subscribe button. Do not fail to click on the card up here to watch my previous vlogs, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Bye.